Hey, Joe here with Florida Concealed Carry, and today we're going to answer the question, can you transport your firearm through any state? To make a long story short, yes you can. There's a federal law known as the Firearms Owners Protection Act, and of course there's an acronym for this, it's FOPA, and this protects people who are transporting their firearms through any state lawfully. There's actually a thing in FOPA known as the Safe Passage provision. Under FOPA, you're allowed to transport your firearm through any state. You just have to abide by their laws and local laws within that state. Okay, the easiest way to do this, if you're traveling through a state that you don't have a concealed weapons license in, you don't have reciprocity with, is the firearm must be unloaded and locked and out of reach of any occupants of the vehicle. So you're driving your car, keep it locked up in your trunk. If you're operating a vehicle that does not have a trunk, let's say an SUV or something along those lines, it must be locked up in a container. And a container is not a glove box or a center console. You're going to have a separate lock box to put your firearm in. Now, with regards to your ammunition, you're going to have to do it the same way. Keep the ammunition locked up in a lockbox out of reach of any occupants of the vehicle. It's that simple. Again, it cannot be in the glove box or center console. If you're driving an SUV, way in the back. If you're driving an RV or a tow-along trailer or something like that, total different stories. We'll get into that in another video because it'll take too long. Now, you should be warned that some states and local governments, aka communist republics, treat FOPA as an affirmative defense that they're only going to use after you're arrested. There's always a catch somewhere. Will you win the court case? Most likely, I'm sure you will, but I'm not an attorney. But most likely, you will win it. Is it going to cost you a ton of money? Yes, it will. Is it worth it? No. If you're going to go to any of those communist republics, just avoid bringing a firearm with you. Or make sure you keep every ounce of documents you have with you. If you have a concealed carry license from another state, keep that license with you. Down here in Florida, always keep that license on you. Look up their state and local laws before you travel there. Find out what they're looking for. And also keep a copy of this FOPA, the Firearm Owners Protection Act, with you. Keep it in your glove box. Keep it somewhere to let the officer know. Because honestly, they probably don't know this law. And they're also being told by their superiors to just lock people up like this. And we all know what state I'm talking about. But listen, hopefully this answered your question on this. If you have any other questions, and hopefully the video is not too long, but if you have any other questions, just send us a message here right off the Facebook page, and we'll try to answer them as quickly as possible for you. Folks, have a great day.